In order to enable and use one-handed mode on Samsung Galaxy A36 5G, first of all, we need to go to Settings, scroll down into Settings until you find Advanced Features, and let's go over here. And then you should be able to find one-handed mode. We can tap on the switcher in order to turn it on or off. We can also tap on one-handed mode option itself in order to find how we want to activate the one-handed mode. We have gesture, so we can swipe down in the center of the bottom edge of the screen. Or you can use a button, so you can double tap the home button, for example, in order to activate the one-handed mode. So for example, we can swipe like this, and as you can see now we have the one-handed mode. Here we can also drag it up or down if we want to by using this handle at the top. There we go, we can change the position, we can tap on this arrow in order to move it to the left or to the right. And if you want to exit the one-handed mode, then of course you need to do the same gesture as you used to activate it. And with the button instead of gesture, then just double tap the home screen to turn it on or off. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!